in this video I will show you how to show you are listening to Spotify on Discord mobile. Firstly, before you open up your Discord selection, you need to make sure by scrolling right here that you're listening a song right now on Spotify. As you can see, the song has been turned on. Also, you can turn the volume if you want to take that evidence on it. Right now, I'm gonna just, as you can see guys, yeah, right now I have that volume on. That means that the Spotify song, it is working right now. What is the most important thing right now? When I got on that selection, I will just turn off the volume on the section for the first step. And when I get here and when I go on a server, for example, and if I go tap on that selectional option, which is right here, and if I go on members, or simply if I go on, it doesn't matter where I can jump up or simply take over that selection. If I go right here and then simply if I drop that menu on it, yeah, right from here, just go tap on it, go get all these selections, go see which side are right here, just go tap on that selection, and this is my section on my Discord. And if I scroll down, as you can see the connections, it is available for Spotify.